Let's welcome Mr. Raymond Isaac and our very, very special guest, one of his #1 celebrity clients, the one and only Miss Julian Santos Agoncillo. Para ng judges ulit.
Pasensya na kayo, hindi na talaga siya.
Ikaw na sa gitna kasi girl. Biological.
It's gonna be a weird for event because I launched my launch. Pero before I continue, I'd like to thank National Bookstore and Anvil dahil ang book namin ni Judy Ann, umabot na ng award sa friendship. Basahin mo nga, Mabs.
Okay. Gourmand. Uy, ang arte! Gourmand Awards! It's a winner. Ang tagal na nito. Nandito din po ako sa librong ito kasi pa-involve po ako sa buhay ng mga friends ko.
Saan ka dyan?
Basta nasa loob ako. Bumili kayo kung sino ako makita sa loob, nasa loob ako. Yes, but yes, it's a certified bestseller. Ito pong Judy Ann's Kitchen. So, aside from Raymond's book, na magiging bestseller din.
Sana. Hindi ko kayo ng pag-Christmas gift. Sa mga taong hindi, wala pa rin po sa loob ng National Bookstore. Pumasok po kayo. Matraffic ko sa labas. Bumili na kayo dito ng regalo.
Yes. But more than anything, please get your copy of Judy Ann's Kitchen also. Together with Raymond's book, The Good Photographer. They're the perfect gift for Christmas.
Wow! Host ka talaga.
Di ba? Tsaka they're all available in the National Bookstore. Get it because pang ilang na dosis? Pang ilang printing na?
Third. I think third na siya.
Third na. So, bago pa maubos.
Thousands na yan.
5 million.
5 million?
But definitely make sure that you get your copies kasi they're really limited and nandito sila. So kung gusto nyo magpa-picture, pictorials, and some sort of like a signing camera, nandito na sila. Signing camera!
Alright. Tingnan na natin Q&A that people will want to also.
Yes, huwag na natin patagilin pa. I know you have a lot of questions before we start signing books with Mr. Raymond Isaac. Bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang ipaalala because in the age of in the age of social media, ang pangalan po ni Raymond ay may U Raymond. Raymond with a U.
Mahal sa'yo, nasa likod na, honestly.
Malay mo, minsan kasi dinidyan pa ng mga tao yan eh. So at social media, don't forget to tag at NBS Alert. NBS Alert, that's National Bookstore. Also don't forget to tag at Anvil Publishing so that you can tag properly your photos. And at Raymond Isaac with a U. Okay, let's start the ball rolling by asking questions. Kung sino po may mga questions, nandito po ang ating mga special guests. Ikaw na talaga. Ako rin di ba? Actually, kasama rin ako siya rin. If you have any questions with Raymond?
July, the reason why July is here also kasi bakit niyo bias na as photographer. So, she's worked with people, different people in the industry about being a good photographer. Wait, clarification nga pala. Akala nung mga nagtatanong, bakit daw ang kapal ko at ginamit ko yung title, I am the good photographer. Hindi po yun ang reason ng title. Kapal, ano? The Good Photographer is about the book of how to be a good photographer. Hindi po ako yun. I'm not trying to be humble. I'm trying to pass on little tips of what being a good photographer should be. Kasi ang dami ng mga lumalabas about tips of what a good photographer is and should be. So we're trying to put it and keep it simple dito sa libro ito. So yun po.
Yes, especially because, because of the age of social media, everybody now is a photographer. So how do you become a good photographer? Get Raymond's book para makuha yung tips. So, are there any questions? Iikot na ba ako?
Sige, pwede ka umiikot.
Pwede, ako
Hindi po silang magtanong.
Oo, iikot ako para si Wonder Woman. So, pwede rin naman ako mag-umpisa na. So, to get the ball rolling, kanina pa sinasabi yun, di ba?
Sige.
So to start things off, let's start Raymond. My question is,
Parang contest.
ganon. Miss Universe lang. Did your childhood dreams include being a photographer?
No.
No? Ay,
Nung siya muna. Nung bata ka ba, naisip mo na ito ang gagawin mo?
Translation talaga sa Tagalog.
Oo.
I wanted, actually, nanonood lang ako ng TV, sabi ng nanay ko, Alam mo, anak, weird ka. Nandito na ba namin? Wala pa.
Siya na.
Ay, hindi pa namin sa likod ko. Hello, mother. Sabi ng nanay ko, bakit nanonood ka ng show, pero hindi ka interested sa show na TV, interested ka sa commercials? So at the end, nung nasa college na ako, I wanted to pursue advertising, film. That's why I took communication arts. Sabi, ano mo? Daming atinista.
Oh, isa na ako yun.
Ayun, atinista.
Bongga yan.
Okay. Next question, please.
Wait, before that, I'd also like to welcome members of the press who arrived. I know of two that I'm very close with, Pilar Mateo and MJ Felipe. Welcome. Sa iba po, welcome din po sa pag-attend. Okay, anybody have any questions for Raymond? Pupuntahan ko kayo, huwag kayong matakot sa akin, naligo ako. Ayun.
Boss,
Boss talaga ba?
how do you stay inspired?
Wow. Good question. I will always be a child. So, for example, I like watching, I'm a Disney freak, I'm a comic geek, I love telenovelas, sorry. I love reading, and anything and everything in life is actually important to me. So I love to cry when nobody's watching. I love to eat as much as I can, as long as it's within the healthy limits. And all of this is important. So that's why inspiration, and the most important is the inspiration that I get from different people. So people I meet in the business, especially si Mars, I get inspired by her because kung kailan when we're down, that's when we get to talk to each other and we actually inspire and help each other. The people in the business, if you've known the artistas the way I have, they're not the same people behind the camera. That's why they become my friends. Also the models and the makeup artists, kasama na kayo doon. Thank you for test number 10.
Ayun. Ako may question ako kay Miss Judy Ann Santos.
Yes, po.
Oo. Mars! Para naman makapagsalita.
Ako kasali talaga dito.
Oo. No, but we all know that the iconic images of Judy Ann Santos, most have been shot by Raymond.
Yes.
How is it working with such a professional as Raymond Isa?
Okay. Kung minsan kasi mas madalas hindi kami professional ni Raymond. We work well when we're unprofessional. Meaning, we understand each other. Kapag kami pinagdadaanan kami, we don't push the situation as much as the client wanted it to be. With Raymond kasi, siguro, it pays na nagkakaintindihan kayo ng photog mo. Alam niya kung kailan ka perky, alam niya pag pagod ka na, he'll call it a day. And masarap kumain sa opisina niya. Yun naman ang totoo doon. So whenever na magkakaroon ako ng shoot sa kanya, ang i-text niya sa akin, anong breakfast gusto mo? So, isa yun. Pangalawa, libre ako umiyak sa opisina niya. That's why Judy Ann's Kitchen came to be. It's because of that time na may pinagdadaanan ako, siya yung nagsabi na, halika na gawin na natin yung libro mo. And at the same time, si Raymond yung nagsabi sa akin na, kaliwa ang angle mo. So, hindi ko alam na may ganun pala. May angle ka palang sinasabi. Halimbawa, kaliwa is left. So, pag sinabi niyang, pero may time, sabi niya, nag-iba yung angle mo. Kumanan ka, o minsan naman paharap na yung angulo mo. It says a lot when you trust your photographer kasi it's your face and then ikaw siya ang nagpapaganda sa'yo maliban sa mga mock-up artist, sa stylist. Kami bilang artista, we are just mannequins of the Glad team. And I love being dolled up. So pag sinabi sa akin ni Raymond na, kunyari tawang-tawa ka. Ako niya tawang-tawa talaga ako kasi alam kong maganda ang kalalabasan ng litrato namin dalawa. And I love working with Raymond. Ang dami ko sila sabi, bukos ko ba ito? Akin ba ito? Kasi alam ko surprise guest ko lang ako dito. I'm so happy that Raymond was able to release a book that's very easy to read. Actually, kakaupo ko lang 5 minutes sa tapos ko. Fast reader.
Fast reader ka. Yeah, sabihin ko sa Reggie, everybody present, she told me she wasn't showing up today. So she surprised me, and actually hindi niyo nakita. pinigil ko na rin yung luha ko. Sabi ko, kumiyat ka, hayop ka, nandito ka pa sa akin.
Diyan si Mami.
Kaya si mother, hindi naman niya ako narinig buha.
Hindi, kasi hindi kita kamay.
Hindi ako narinig. So thank you for coming. I really appreciate that she's here.
Magtotoo rin naman yung surprise kasi na-surprise din ako sa'yo sa labas na nakita kita.
Actually, palakas sa traffic, palakad na ako sa buong Glorieta.
So anybody else have a question for... Naku, ayan, marami na.
Magtanong kayo kasi traffic, huwag tayo umuwi.
Oo, mamaya, dito muna tayo. In order of weirdness.
At habang wala kayong ginagawa, bumili na kayo ng libro kasi pag Christmas gift po ito, don't forget, Good Photographer, and then don't forget, Judy Ann's Kitchen. Award-winning po ito, kaming dalawa gumawa.
Diba? Halain mo ba yun?
Uy, yes.
Raymond, somebody's asking if it's your first book.
Technically, no, it's not my first book. It's my first book under my name. It's my first book that is not celebrity-centric. Kasi uso yung celebrity ang nagbibenta ng covers, di ba? Natakot ako, so sabi ko sa Anvil, thank you, Annie. She's there. And then I said, Anvil, are you willing to risk this book for me that's not celebrity-centric, na hindi celebrity ang nagbibenta? Sabi niya, maganda naman ang laman ng book. Sabi ko, sana mo mabenta rin mo ang laman ng book. But yes, technically it's not.
My question is why only now?
Only now that I got the courage, the courage, yeah. Sandali lang po, mga kaibigan.
Oo. Oh, isipin niyo yung question habang
Sandali lang po.
inaayos namin ang susunod na paandar.
Pwede nga, kinakabahan naman ako dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Siyempre, hindi ako makaimik.
Kailangan sa gitna ka na ng dalawang superstars.
Oo. Ay, umuo naman ako.
Parang wala akong karapatan dito sa gitna nito. May kinakabahan ako. Hindi yun eh. Ngayon, okay.
Tumuloy na.
Grabe na, Raymond. Two of the biggest stars of Philippine show business ang nakasandwich sa'yo.
Narating daw si Ate V.
Hindi, wala siya. Nasunod pa siya. Basic siya. Hindi naman was also supposed to be here. Ayoko na compress na ingat. Anyway.
Oh, wait lang. Ituloy natin ang
Hindi.
questions.
No, wait. Before you continue,
Sige.
kailangan ko na sabihin to. I actually asked a lot of people to come and support me. And one of this is an artista, Chismista. It's an artista who actually said, kasama ba ako sa book? Sabi ko hindi. It's a book about my experiences and tips and what I've learned in photography. Tinalikuran ako ng artista. Sabi ko, hindi pala ako kasama. Huwag na lang. And yet, I have Sharon and Judy Ann here.
Itago natin sa initials na.
Mamaya sasabihin ko sa'yo, Mars, kilala ko.
Sino to?
Ano gusto mong gawin namin dyan sa baba?
Babae?
That, you know, for whatever reason, tingin ang microphone si Sharon, for whatever reason, that's her point of view. My point is this. Walang vested interest si Sharon at si Judy Ann dito, and they went out, yes, never asked me. She went out of her way to actually come here and support me. So it's, wala akong masabi. Thank you po. Thank you.
Yan.
I don't know why. I'll talk ha. So, good afternoon first everyone. I'm just so happy to be here. Actually, I'm honored eh. Because Raymond is not just a great photographer. I'm not saying this just because he's in front of me. Pero he's really a great person. He's a lovely human being. That's why it's so easy to love him. It's so easy to do things for him. Because he does things for you. He goes out of his way. Hindi mo ina-expect. Minsan nahihiya ako magpa-picture dyan kasi pag nagpipictorial, magugulat ka na lang. Minsan ililibre ka. Pag nag-family picture kami, minsan magugulat na lang ayaw magbigay ng bill. So sabi ko, ayoko na magpa-picture sa'yo. Pero, Raymond was the one who took my beautiful, if I may, if I do say so myself, my beautiful posters and the billboard of Mega 30, my concert. And that was really my favorite. And my billboards for my Sharon at Soler concerts. So Raymond has done so many pictorials with me and my sister Juday. We're really, siguro kasi pareho kami, kaya kami, that's why we're very close. We're more than best friends, we're really sisters since 2002. Parang namin mahal si Raymond dahil sa pagkatao mo. Saka, alam mo, I'm going to take a picture this and put it on my, all my social media sites. So, this is Raymond's book. Please take a picture of me holding it para kahit mga 5 tao may bumili dahil sa akin.
Nagtaga mo naman yung gift,
Tapos,
pag Christmas gift.
Ito naman, hindi, mga 10, sige.
Okay.
Kung anong abot ng influence ko. Hindi ako masyadong expectant.
Ikaw ba?
Ito, and of course, my sister's book.
Award, alam mo ba yan? May award kami.
Ano?
May award kami. Kung ano may ibig sabihin, hindi ko ma-pronounce. Hindi ko ma-pronounce.
That's so mean. That's why we love each other, you know?
Kabalita ko, ikaw rin daw nagkakaroon eh.
Ewan ko lang kung saan. No, tagal na, ako lang ang maarte. No, but this is so beautiful. The cookbook and the book of Raymond. You see how talented you are. Next year,
Ay, may request pala si Ate Shawi.
What is that?
Mamaya yung request.
Okay.
Pagmamahal mo sa
I'm
challenge
so
ng
happy it's here in National because I'm laking National. I know it's true. Tell Tita Virgie. She knows. I have a card. It's with my kids now. My kids are here, so they're shopping na. Nandiyan silang lahat. Pero si panganay abroad na naman. So Raymond, congratulations on your book. I love you so much. I love you so much. You're such a good person. You're so blessed because, you know what? New photographers will come and old photographers, some will stay and become legends. Some will be forgotten. You will be one of those legends because we love you so much and we'll try to bring honor to you. Pero I'm sorry, ang pangarap kasi ni Raymond, makunan niya lahat kami na nakahubad. Totoo, hindi. Diba sis?
Lumabas naman yung lalamunan ko.
Totoo. Umuo ka na ba?
Oo, ay, saan?
Doon sa... Ay, hindi. Mas ito yung reaction ko. Ay, hindi. Ako nang ihintay lang. Pero, may posing ako.
Inabas ko na yung Dara costume mo, huwag kang ganyan.
Ay, nakadamit yun eh. Pero, tayo lang dalawa makakita ko, Polaroid.
Wala nang Polaroid!
Meron! Ganto kaliit.
Okay, sorry. Richie,
Yes! Ang sarap kasi makinig. Ang sarap-sarap ng chika ni Nita dyan. Pero may mga ibang tao.
Ang galing kumanta niyan.
Oo nga, ayaw niya kumanta ngayon. Sabi niya wala daw talent.
Napakagaling kumanta niyan.
Eh, kasi
Dapat
may-
sa'yo, nagpe-perform palagi.
Eh, kasi, libro ni Raymond ngayon, baka naman pag kumanta
Bakit?
ako.
Music naman. No, you have to listen to this guy sing. I saw you na eh.
Thank you. Care Divas. We're doing it again.
Great! Okay. And my Sharonians are here. Did you know? A lot of them came for you.
So guys, thank you.
They're gonna put it on social media. That's Jack with a cat shirt.
Hi,
He's
thank
the one
you.
that maintains all things Sharon. Uy! Love
Dami
na
mong
love ka
surprise
namin.
eh. Christmas gift na to ah.
Oh, we'll continue with the questions.
Hi, my question is, what is your advice for teenagers or children who want to pursue photography in the future, especially as a profession?
Ayan na, Raymond. The next generation na nagtatanong sa'yo.
I'd like to say good afternoon and thank you for that beautiful question. The truth, do not let technique anchor you down. You need to keep on shooting pictures always. Photography is not about technique. Photography is visual storytelling. If somebody tells you you have the wrong technique, tell him this is not your story to tell. So tell your story first as young people, and that is the most important thing.
Bongga. Bongga naman yan. With that being said, if you please...
Nalabas ba yung score ko?
Oo. With that being said, please don't forget to hashtag The Good Photographer, of course, social media, NBS Alerts, Anvil Publishing, and at Raymond Isaac for all your social media. Don't forget that.
There's a phone-in question here. Raymond,
Yes, present po.
may phone-in question.
Ay, may phone in. Ang tanda mo, phone in question pa, alam mo. Mars, anong pangalan mo?
Were you a
What's your
good
name?
student? Better tell the truth.
In
Kasi no.
Lasal.
And how much of what you learned in college did you use?
Sino ka ba? Ba't ka
Never mind
nagtatanong ng
that.
ganyan?
Sagot, Raymond.
Was I a good student? No, I
High school
wasn't.
muna.
High school? Ganon. High school, si Sharon naglabas ng Mr. DJ. Crush ng bayan siya.
Yes, of course.
Yes. So, lahat kami, we wanted to... Shut up. Ang question, yes, I was a bad student. No, actually what I did was I learned a different way of in school. I favored what the teacher wanted to hear or say, and that's what I did. Huwag ko kayo maniwala sa akin. Sip-sip po ako for sure. Wait, was that your question? Are you talking about photography? Dita Santinor is a famous food stylist in the Philippines. She would style your food yung nakikita niyo naka-display. And she also is my batchmate in Lasal. Kaya ang tapos niya magtanong ng question na ganito.
I asked if you were a good student.
In Lasal?
We were classmates.
You know what?
How much of what you learned, what we learned in
I
school?
don't remember. All I know is I didn't like photography when I was in Lasal. I didn't like photography.
You did! You
No,
took
I
very
did
good
not.
pictures.
Kunyari lang yun. Ang nagustuhan ko sa photography, binayaran ko ng 8,000 pesos a week during the 80s by Gina Tabuena, the sister of Martin Rivera, and that's my first job. 8,000 pesos a week times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. Tama, marunong mga mama. 32,000 a month for a college student in the 80s. Kayo ba? Maghihindiin niyo ba yun? No. That's why I never stopped photography. And I learned. Huwag ka na maingay, malalaman mo. Ito ba?
Mas maliit ang bayad sa akin sa
Magkano
GMA
bayad
Super
sa'yo?
Show.
Magkano bayad sa'yo? Sabihin mo lang. Sabihin mo lang. Sikat ko, hindi na nakakalimutan. Hindi.
4,000.
Totoo po yan, 4,000.
No, but for everyone to know, college pala, he was ahead of his time already.
No, I wasn't.
You
I
were
was pretending.
He was a very good photographer. Everybody did. Yes, he was a top student.
Pag magaling ka talaga, hahabulin ka eh. Ng talent Ngayong araw lang to, kapag alala bukas, dead ba na kami ulit sa'yo?
Hayop ka.
Oh, ganun talaga yan. Any other questions for Raymond from our audience? Or i-kickstart ko na naman? No, I have a question for our two stars. Natanong ko na si Miss Judy Ann kanina. Miss Sharon, how is it working with Raymond? And I mean, in particular, when you're literally in front of his lens already, what feelings do you have?
I always say this. When I work with Raymond, my manager knows this, everybody that's present, his staff knows this. When I am with Raymond and we're already shooting, I always feel loved. I am not stressed at all. There's no stress on the set. He spoils us with his pagmamahal lang talaga. It's so effortless, hindi pilit. It's his nature. It's in his nature. Tapos I feel so. He makes you feel beautiful kahit na you're not feeling okay that day. He makes you feel like you're worth taking a picture of. And then he'll make pa simple kahit na mga kaibigan namin yung mga kaharap. Medyo pag may double chin ka, lalo yung katabaan ko. Gagalan lang siya, oh. Gagalan lang siya. Hindi yung itaas mo to, nakikita ko yung baba mo. Hindi ganun. Very, very, very thoughtful. Very solicitous. Tsaka very relaxed. I love working with Raymond. Tsaka walang arte. Mabilis. Mabilis. Walang unnecessary delays. Wala. Kami yung nagdi-delay sa kanya. Oo, pag haba nagme-makeup, chika kami ng chika. Siya kasi nakik-chika eh. Oh. Tapos, ito pa, kahit wala kang tingin, pagdating mo, nakaprepare yung kung ano yung alam niyang paborito mong kainin. Yung nag-e-effort na hindi mo hiningi, hindi mo ina-expect. Nakakainis, di ba?
True naman.
Tapos, yun na nga, minsan, ayaw ko talaga magpa-pictorial sa kanya. Napipilitan tuloy ako kasi minsan ililibre ka niya. Pag kunyari, family picture, sabi niya, that's my Christmas gift na lang for you. Bakit? Ayoko. Next time ako lang ng iPhone. Picture kay
Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Sponsor ako ng Canon, hindi ka pwede mag-iPhone.
Oy! Talo lang ko. Meron ba dyan?
Pero bigyan mo daw ng camera si Madam.
Ayun, tsaka yung Marie France, totoo, napakagaling yan. Hindi ko lang kaya talaga yung Frozen. Ayun. Sponsor mo eh.
Iba yung usapan na yun. Pero,
Sorry.
matagal lang
Okay,
yan.
okay.
Pero that's very true. Raymond, when you work with Raymond, it's so easy. Doesn't feel like work.
Ginugol namin ni Judah yung word solicitous.
Oo.
Ano daw? English?
Ganun talaga eh. Alam mo na, IS girl eh.
Kaya nga nasa lista.
Nasa lista ka
Kaya
kasi.
nga nasa lista ko.
You're not from Airnair.
Yes. Yeah, that's the difference.
Uy, nanalo kayo ah.
Nanalo ba kami?
Sa basketball, twice.
Kunyari, hindi ko alam.
Oo. Okay na, Dad. Wala masakit.
Ayun. Hindi kasi alam mo, Richie, pag ang kapatid ko, asawa ko Lasal. Okay. Oh, si Ruel, si friend mo. Dahil kong ex na Lasal. Hindi. Tawag dito, pero yung barkada ko Ateneo. Sila Ana Sosa, tsaka yung mga non-showbiz. Tapos, Boston College ako, nanay ng Ateneo. Sabi ko, so, pag nagpunta ako ng game, kalahati ng jacket ko blue, kalahati green. Tapos, pag talo, babalik na rin ko, maroon, UP na lang. UP OU ako, UP si Kiko.
Para quits. Yes.
Maroon.
Nako yan. Any other questions? Naku, huwag kayong tumingin. Nakakaaliw silang tingnan na panoorin. Pero magtanong kayo, nakakaloka kayo. Sino pang may tanong?
No, but ako, I'm sure, kami ni Juday, we think the same way. We're both here only for one reason. Actually, two. One is because we believe in Raymond's talent. Obviously, otherwise we would never have our picture taken by him. Second is that we love him very much and we are true friends of Raymond. True. Non-showbiz friends.
Which is very
Wala naman
rare.
kami sa libro eh.
Kasi nga, yung isa. Pero hindi kayo exit frame. Naku, ito nga kasi si babae. Yun, nasasabihin ko na babae siya.
Sabi ko sa akin, sino?
Mm-mm. Mamaya na lang, ibubulgar ko sa inyo.
Ibabash.
Okay na. Ite-text ko yan kina Jeff. Mas anonymous nila yan. Na text natin kay Bato.
How do you see photography moving forward in the future? So you started out with film and then now digital.
Wow, it's so complicated the question.
You know, may I just interject? We are on Facebook Live now on my site. Hi everybody, this is my first
Hello
live
po.
streaming. I'm with Raymond Isaac for the launch of his book, The Good Photographer. We are in National Bookstore Glorieta, and Judy Ann's cookbook that just won a Gourmand Award that she did also with Raymond. Yan. Wala po akong book. Nandito lang ako dahil mahal ko siya.
Wala pa.
Wala pa po. Kasi isang question lang, di ba, Jack? Mga one chapter eh.
Right, going back to your question, where do you see photography coming in? Going into the future, whatever happens, change happens every day. What you need to remember in photography is you do not resist change. You adapt and survive. And I think that's the reason, pinag-aralan ko yan, Mars, kagabi ko yung pinag-aralan. When you adapt and survive, you actually go with the flow of what the culture of the world should be and will be. Kasi kung kumontra ho tayo, magiging matanda ho tayo. Kaya some of the older photographers na wala ng trabaho ngayon, they resisted the change. Do not resist change. Embrace it because at the end of the day, it's night.
Yes, yan naman ang mga quotable quotes talaga.
Alam nyo, pag may usok, may nagpa-barbecue.
Woo! Grabe, paano na to? Okay, Raymond, may interesting dito na question sa listahan ng mga Kemerut questions. What motivated you to finally come up with this format? Come out with this format. Hindi. Ituloy ko nag-pause na kayo masyado kayong demanding.
Ang pula ko ang siya.
So what motivated you to get to do the book this format?
The reason why I did this is for the kids also actually. Marami ng complications sa internet about miscommunication, what photography should be. I've had students in my workshops and lectures na sasabi, ang simple lang pala Raymond, bakit ako kinocomplicate na ibang teachers ko? So ang nangyari is that when you teach them the reality of kung ano talaga ang dapat sa photography, which is please do not be by all the garbage of marketing na binibenta sa inyo, and you know what photography should be, then it becomes easier. So pinapadali ko buhay niyo because at the end of the day, hindi na yun. At the end of the day, dapat may pasa ko yung natutunan ko kasi sayang, at the end of the day, you brush your teeth also.
Wash your face.
Wash your face. Ang kulit mo. I hope I answered your question.
Be in love with your subject. Yan.
Yeah.
Ang hindi, pinagalitan ako ni Sharon before.
Warm up.
Sarap. Pinagalitan ako ni Sharon before the first time she meet ko siya. Hindi, pinagtawanan niya ako. First kong encounter with Sharon Cuneta is naglabas ako ng cassette tape. The best of Sharon Cuneta. Sabi ko, ma'am, pwede ba magpa-autograph? Sabi niya, ulul. Sabi, ma'am, seryoso po. I am a fan since Mr. DJ. Ayaw pa rin niya maniwala. So, kwento ko lahat ng love teams niya, lahat ng movie niya. And then finally, oo nga. Tanga lang na mag-memorize naman. So, memorize pa sinabi sa akin. So, but I am a fan of all my artistas. Seriously, I am.
Is that an important thing for you?
I'm in love with all the subjects that I take pictures of.
Kahit yung hindi dumating,
Theater actor ko ako. Kaya ko mag-motivate na sarili ko. So anyway, yes, you have to be in love with your subject always. Or else, what story will you tell if you're not in love with the person you're taking pictures of in the first place? Yes.
what were you thinking of when we were doing the Mega 30 na hagayin ako sa ilaw? Nagulat ka, bigla ko na lang ginawa.
Nasa fairground tayo ng Lasal at finally nakilala kita.
Pinipining lasal. Na never ako naging.
So, nainis na muna mo. That's my story about you.
Kasi nailaw ako sa friend mo.
Unrequited love.
Pero according to Sharon Cuneta, crush mo siya, no, Mr. DJ?
Sabi niya, nung araw.
Kami nga sa high school batch namin.
Huwag ka naman damay, crush mo siya.
Gusto mo mag-name sa mga famous people? Sige.
Tinanong ko tuloy si Kiko nung isang gabi. Uy, sabi ni Raymond sa akin, nung high school daw, ganyan-ganyan.
Ako tinanong.
Ikaw ba crush mo ako?
Hindi.
Alam mo ginawa niya? Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, juicy pa.
Was there ever a time na nagkaroon ng conflict yung pagiging businessman mo at artist mo?
Yes, always.
Ay, good question yan, Raymond.
Kung may conflict ang being an artist and being a businessman, there is always conflict. But you have to remember, ang first important rule is this. Who pays for the photography shoot, then that person is the one you will serve. Being an artist shouldn't mix with business. Kasi artistry is your personal motivation on what you want to do, mga personal projects, mga ganun tipo. Pag kami ni Juday at ni Shawi, pag may trabaho kami ng commercial work, minsan may mga pinapagawa sa amin na labag sa kalooban namin. Ang ganda ng batang na kami. Si Liza, Soberano. Pag against sa kalooban namin, ang mantra namin ni Shawi at ni Juday is that trabaho lang ito, hindi ito personalan. And we do the job. And that's what I love about this too, is that minsan, hindi ko sasabihin ko anong kliyente o sinong brand ang ginagamit namin. May nakatingin sa advertiser din. Na, pag ayaw namin ang ginagawa, sasabihin ko, hawak kamay lang po kapatid, smile na lang tayo. At the end of the day, hinire lang tayo dito. Yun po, but very good question. Some photographers kasi naguguluhan hindi, pangit ito, hindi ito magandang lumabas. Hindi ka, you should follow what the client wants. Never about you. never about you. Anong pelikula yun? Doctor Strange.
Ay.
Oo, di ba?
Magets na magets ka doon.
I know, right?
Oo. Diba? Parang hindi 35 years in the industry. 35 years in the industry, right, Raymond?
Yeah.
My gosh, you're older than I am in the industry.
How many years na yun?
12 lang ako eh. Yeah. Okay. I think maybe last few questions for everyone who wants to have a let's couple more questions.
What are your top 3 persons that you still want to take a photo of?
Sharon Cuneta, Julian Santos, and my mother.
Still want. So, ano na natin top sila, pero so you still want to work with?
Okay.
Maybe yung hindi pa rin.
Ito pa na.
Hindi pa.
Oh my God.
Well, that's difficult because in the Philippines, if you're a star, you have to have a Raymond is up portrait. That's true. I mean, I'm not kidding. Kailangan meron kang Raymond.
Sino pa?
Duterte.
May narinig ako.
Si Gigi Hadid, yun lang.
Yung international. Sige, international.
Or Bella, yun lang dalawa. Kasi alam ko hindi ko magagawa. Kasi, malay mo. But off my head right now. Kasi halos na, I don't like it. Ayoko. Ayoko.
Well, aside from being a photographer, ladies and gentlemen, Raymond is also a creative director, he's also a writer, and he also does a lot of things. What's next for you, aside from this book, and aside from your photography? Is there anything in the pipeline for you that you're doing next?
We're actually really, rebooting my YouTube, ang tawag doon?
Channel. YouTube brand.
Podcast supposed to be.
Podcast.
Pero since podcast is not used in the Philippines, so you're always there. We're going to do more videos that will be in YouTube about photography tips. In fact, cooking lessons, the things that I serve to these people because I get so many tweets.
Yes, my
And corned
gosh.
beef. And then ano pa yung mga bacon cupcake ko. The Vilma Santos pasta. Ang dami yan. And then other than that, techniques of how to pose for the camera. So, for example, how do you pose for the camera?
Like this?
Ano yun? Paano?
I'm sure sis ikaw, if you want to look taller, di ba? If you want to look taller,
Wear
this is
heels.
your camera. Yeah. And then your subject is standing, and you want your subject to look taller, your camera should be from a low angle.
Wow.
Me, I'm such an expert at the next one. When you want to look thin,
Sabi ko na nga, sasabihin mo yun eh.
you always take a picture with the camera higher than you.
About the nose.
Yes, but it will make you look a little shorter. Huwag ganito.
Okay na yung short, wag lang fat.
Yes.
Pero tama naman kasi a lot of Miss Sharon's pictures, selfies yun eh. So okay lang kasi.
Yeah.
So,
Tsaka
tama.
hindi naman ganito. Yung ganyan lang. Ganyan lang.
Tama.
Lalo pag buong katawan.
Mars,
Diba?
Ulo.
Hindi siya ganun ka na, oh.
Bubok na. Tuwad, liyad-liyad na ganun na.
Na-learn ko yan sa kanya.
okay, since total tayo lang nandito, wala masyado maraming tao.
Oh, this is very intimate.
Intimate crowd.
Oh.
If you want to have nice pictures, walang pantay na mata sa tao, okay? So, look at your small eye, yun ang away from the camera. Ay, baliktad, yun ang close to the camera. Kasi yung malaking mata, dapat away from the camera. Para ang optical illusion, ligiit yung malaking mata.
Yeah, that's why
para
I'm always
pumantay.
left angle.
Tingin nga.
Because my smaller eyes, my...
Very good, yeah.
I don't mind saying it. Everyone
But it's
has
true.
not pantay.
No, walang pantay
Wala.
wala.
And then sasabi, what is the best, may good or bad side ba ang tao? There's no such thing as good and bad side. That's why I'm always writing that. Sandali! Pag sasabi ko kay Sharon yung kasi may reason tayo ba't natin ginagawa yun. Kasi pumayari siya. But the point is, there's no such thing as good and bad side. The only thing that you have is the young side and the old side. The old side is when your cheekbones are higher. Yun ang side of authority. So if you want to look like you're powerful in front of your camera, high cheekbone tayo. Kasi yan yung matataray. High cheekbone, high cheekbone.
Akala ko pag authoritative, nakataas ang kilay.
Yun nga, mataas na yung kilay na yun eh. Tapos if you wanna be friendly, the rounder side, yung sinasabi yung matabang side na ayaw nyo, that's your friendly side. Because it becomes more friendlier na hindi mataas ang cheekbone mo, kala mo baby fat. So, it makes you look younger actually to be a little fatter. So, hindi totoong ano.
Kaya sobrang friendly po ako. Yes!
Tsaka yung laging ganyan. You bite. You bite.
Yes.
You bite, and then try
You
to
push it
extend
forward.
your jawline. So, nainis ako dahil di natural. Nainis ako. Ayun na, ganyan na lang. Hindi ko na kaya.
So yun yung mga little tips. Actually, some of them are written in the books. If you're interested, please buy the book. Ay, ako rin sana water. Hindi, ayoko. Masama ang sugar.
Grabe na yung judgmental. The good judgmental photographer. Sa mga guests mo yan, ha?
Alam mo,
Fairness sa'yo, ha?
eto lang ang mantra ko, YOLO.
Ayaw.
Pag lumindon bukas, at least naka-inom mo.
Huwag naman lindor, Christmas, no?
Lalo naman ako, taas na floor.
Ayaw, ang taas ka pala. Anything else that you're doing in the near future? Because they want to know. Balita ko may CD kang ginagawa mo.
Yes!
What's it about?
Start na ako, Star Music. And it's all, once again, for the first time in a long, long time, we changed it at the last minute. I was gonna do covers again kasi lakas nung Isn't It Romantic. That was a diamond record then, the first one. But the new one we're doing is all original, all new, all OPM.
Sino mga nagsulat?
Iba-iba. Ray Valera has given me one.
Wow.
But Noy Volante has given me one. The others I'm working with for the first time. And it's being produced by Jonathan Manalo, of course, of Star Music. So it's very exciting for me. Because maraming fresh na kanta, ang ganda ng movement ng choices ng songs. And then, I'm shooting, you told me to talk about, I do stuff for my own YouTube channel, which is the Sharon Cuneta channel, No Space. Very, very raw, very organic, very natural. You'll be there because we took some shots kanina. Then my Instagram, I finally opened an Instagram account, I think last month. Really Sharon Cuneta. Kasi diba meron mga the real ganyan. Ako hindi, really, it's really me. Really Sharon Cuneta. Yeah, No Space. And then, of course, my Facebook account, Sharon Cuneta Official. It's verified, so it's easy. And Twitter, I'm so on social media now because by God's grace, I don't anymore get affected when there's something negative, and they're always grossly, vastly outnumbered by the positive. So I have this shield, I don't get hurt. I just believe kindly, because I figured I'm here to please the people that love me. No? So my Twitter is open again. It's Sharon_Cuneta12. So I hope that they all follow us. Yeah. And your podcast, I'm always extra there.
Oh, yan.
Pala, meron pa. I'm shooting finally a movie. They will announce na the leading man. Meron na. So,
hindi pa ngayon.
Kahapon lang. Hindi ko pa
okay.
pwede announce it. It has to come from Star.
Pamaya na lang.
I think they finally, Tita Malu Santos had a meeting with the leading man. And we are going to start shooting in January. And if things go well, it will be showing in May of next year. Then I will be doing a show. They announced it na. Your face sounds familiar, kids. I'm taping just before Christmas. Cute, no? Right after that, another one that I cannot announce yet. Pero right after, walang break na mahaba. So, ang problema namin ngayon, saan na yung US tour papasok? Doon tayo eh, di ba? And what we're gonna do is, I actually very quickly just mentioned it to Raymond sa Saler. Kasi yung nag-pictorial kami for the poster, sabi ko, Raymond, let's do a book na kasi I'm 50 na. So, if we do, it might be like it's really for people who would care to have a copy of not just the story of my life, which I intend to write with good friends. I mean, to write myself because I love to write. But really, a book of many pictures. Maybe if we go on a US tour or ganyan, I hope that Raymond will be free. And then some will be taken, I'm sure, by Anna Dastig, who does good pictures. And by me, my family, my friends. Very simple, very real. Pero we hope to come up with that. Parang a coffee table book forever and ever. Parang ano. And some lang, pwedeng life story, pwedeng snippets ng buhay ko, nice kwentos lang, essays. I think that's cute. And then some, siguro I'll have books on advice also. People say, can you advise? Kunyari, sa Facebook, diba, people write these advices about money, how to handle money. So I can do that, the mistakes I made, or what not to do, what I learned, whatever that I learned from my dad. Or cooking also. I'm not a chef like my sister here, but I'm a cook. I like to eat kasi. So may katakawan has its benefits. Yeah. Pero talagang favorite ko pag nasa bahay ako ng Juday. Talagang any minute biglang gagawa siya ng isang buong Thai meal.
Totoo yan.
Hindi mo alam bakit from beginning to end. Kaya si Ryan, mabuti hindi ako ang asawa, hindi ko siya kaya sis. Araw-araw yung breakfast ni Ryan, kala mo in-order sa kay Gordon Ramsay, gano'n. Diyos ko. Yan. So those are the things I'll be doing soon. Hindi masyadong busy. One day a week lang off ko. Hindi pa pwedeng Sunday. Kaya Saturday na kami magsisimba. Hindi ako bored. Afraid ako. So, and then after that, I'll do an indie movie. So, and a big movie.
Mag-uupad na siya sa indie.
And then a big, hindi pa nga eh.
Hindi ka nakikinig. Indie movie ang gagawin ni Sharon.
Indie. Oo. Ang pamilyang hindi lumuluha. May pagka-fantasy something. Ay, nakita niyo ba yung kusina ni sis?
Oo.
Wait!
Tama ba napanood yun eh?
Tama ba magkakarinig ko? Ang pamilyang hindi lumuluha?
Oh.
Ay! Ang ironic naman yan from Crying Ladies, ha? So
Ang dami mo niluha doon.
Yes! Binuo ni Sharon Cuneta.
Yun. And then there's gonna be one big movie that will unbelievably star people you would never imagine would be together in one project. So that's being discussed now. It's not with a major studio, It's a new, But all of us are involved.
Kasama ka doon, Raymond. Sa movie na yon.
Only girl ako.
So leading man ka kasi nga crush mo siya eh. Pinipilit ko din. Anyway, thank you guys for coming. You've heard what's up for Miss Sharon Cuneta. Don't forget to catch Judy Ann's Kitchen. It's still available in its third printing. And of course, yes, Gourmand Award na yan. And of course, The Good Photographer, the new book of Raymond Isaac. You're more than welcome to buy all of the copies now. It's a perfect Christmas gift. And before we wrap things up, we'd like to thank again Canon. We'd like to thank Marie-France, Facial Care, Sun Life Financial, and Svensson for helping us for today's book. Anvil Publishing, thank you, and National Bookstore. Again, please don't forget to tag #The Good Photographer, and social media accounts are at NBS Alerts and at Anvil Publishing.
Alright, before we continue with people want to come in and have their books autographed. Thank you for that. Sharon and Juday cannot stay that long, so those who have bought books, I think you have a control who will have it signed. Yeah, there will be pagkats ka na. Please, let's do it orderly because you have to read. Number 1. Number 2, this will not be the last. This will not be the last. Next year, 2017, National Bookstore and Anvil will have a series of book signing and lectures, workshop for photography. Ang cheeks ko na punta sa batok. Anyway, so please watch out for announcements because I will have lectures and workshops on photography in Cebu, Davao, in the Plaza on Bushu, also in National Bookstore. come back because this will not be the first or the last time. Malay mo, there'll be another celebrity, hint, hint,
Tama!
for the next workshop. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin ang next natin si Ellen Adarna kasi secret na yun, diba?
Secret yun. Basta wag natin, hindi pwede sabihin na si Ellen
Hindi
Adarna.
pwedeng sabihin ni Ellen Adarna in a bathing suit in National Bookstore.
Oo, bagong-bago yung naka-bathing suit siya, ha?
Hindi, secret yun at tago natin. Pero meron pa isang secret. Sa initials na Piolo Pascual, baka sakali rin.
Bagong artista yun, ha? Oo.
So please, pagsisikati ho natin yun. Please watch us for announcements. So thank you for coming, thank you for buying, and please buy more for Christmas gifts.
It's a perfect size, guys. But thank you again, Miss Sharon Cuneta, Miss Julian Santos, and of course, the star of today, Mr. Raymond Desaa, the good photographer. Please don't forget, #NBS the good photographer, and follow us on all social media accounts. Thank you, guys.
Total, ang first tip namin, is cameras above our noses, di ba?
Oh, ano na. Yung mga nakakuha na ng libro, alam niyo yung mga tips. Umpisahan niyo nang i-practice sa mga tips. Alam mo nasa nandiyan naman.
Pwede yung makiat.
Don't forget! Thank you! Oh my God! Wait, I have to announce! I just bought, hindi na alam, I bought her cookbook on Kindle. Wow! Yeah, her cookbook. Pwede ba ang Kindle, ha? Hindi ba? Hey, salamat! Sana sila? Kindle ba? Kindle, thank you! Jenner ba ang pangalan? Kindle Jenner! Really?
Ayop ka rin.
Thank you, General, for coming.
First runner-up ka lang dyan. May bouquet kami kawalan. First runner-up.
Kaliktadan mo!
Sabi ni Ricky B, pagkatabi mo daw sila, parang lagi ka agad first runner-up.
Pagkatabi mo sa inyo ang alalay, di ba?
Yayang-yaya. Makagandang bata. Pwede na. Ayun, Mother of the World. Ako, 1944.
Okay, now we will start the book signing for the first 20 with their signing passes. Please come forward so that Raymond can already sign the books.
Sige, mga pangalan.